Mystery box! Actually, you guys saw the title, you already know what's in here, but this is how things sometimes show up. And it's the new UMX Cirrus. Now the funny thing about this is they just took an old box and turned it inside out for the new one. Which is just funny, I guess. That's pretty cool. In today's video, we're going to unbox and build, quote unquote, and bind this thing and show you how easy the UMX series planes are to bind. They're very easy. Weather's really bad. Hopefully you will have seen a flight video of this already. As of right now, I haven't flown it yet, so we'll see how this goes. But these are how UMX planes all come. Well, let's say 99% of them. Sometimes you have to put the wing on, but most of them come assembled fully in one piece. And in the bind and fly airplane world, or plug and play world, RC world of planes, that's very unheard of. You don't just get an airplane in one piece, all electronics installed, you pull it out of the box and you bind it to your radio. And it is that easy. I'm going to show you in this video. Now this is a blue paint scheme, where they had the old one as a red paint scheme. Don't forget your small bit of Velcro. This is the one thing about UMX planes that's different in their battery world. Not only the size, but their Velcro is unique compared to the others. It's kind of smaller and softer, and so very important to hold on to that. But let's take this to the workbench and bind it up. And I just want to walk you guys through the process, because I say it's easy all the time. I don't always show you how easy it is. So let's go. I'm old. Grunt standing up now. I've been trying to clean up my space.
You got a very nice walkway.
It's better. It's better. My workbench is cleaner than the last video people watched. I have another little project that I'm working on here. It's better. Abby, you got 75% of the house. I get the dungeon basement, so don't judge. Okay, when you get a new UMX plane, you need a radio. Generally speaking, a universal radio. And this is one of their most budget-friendly transmitters, a Spectrum transmitter. It's still very expensive, right around $300, $250 or something, I think. I have a video of my overall opinion of this transmitter, and it's a good one. Definitely gets the job done. And the nice thing about a universal transmitter is you can have tons. You can have one transmitter, and then you bind all your planes to it. I say this in comments when people ask, but it's kind of like a PlayStation. This is the PlayStation or the Xbox, the console. These are the games. People ask all the time, like, why don't the planes like this one, why doesn't it come with a transmitter and a battery? How would you like to buy the console every time you bought a game? That'd be crazy. So it actually saves money and space in the long run. I don't want 30 or 60 of these transmitters. I just want one, maybe two, and a bunch of airplanes. So it saves money and space in the long run. That's why they do it this way. So once you have a nice transmitter though, you buy that once and then you fly all your planes on it, and then your batteries hopefully can work on multiple planes too. So let's open this up. There we go, it's magnetic. And we'll see that we have a JST plug in here with our little micro servos, and that's what UMX is kind of infamous for. And like I said, there's that really special kind of soft Velcro, which is why we hold on to this. Now, the interesting thing that I find with UMX is I don't know what the rhyme or reason to this method is. This has a JST plug for your batteries, which is great. That's a universal battery plug. I prefer their amazing, superior IC2 plugs. Let me show you. Here. Those are some of my dead smart batteries. This one is a dead smart battery, but it is still a superior plug, and generally speaking it's a superior battery, but I think that is a better plug, but they still opted to go with JST. JST is more universal. This is not proprietary, but it's newer and less common. That is, in the battery world of RC, the IC plugs are the best. They're just a nice snug fit. They don't get stuck when you pull them apart. They're pretty watertight. And now they have Smart Tech too, which is really nice. But they opted with their newest plane in 2025 to go with JST. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Is it better to go universal or superior? They went universal. Now, what size battery? We're going to be on a 2S or 3S 280 to 300 milliamp battery. So there's very little room for size of battery that they recommend on this airplane. So I'm going to see if I have a 3S JST 300 milliamp LiPo. Very unlikely, but I'll see what I got.
Anything good in there? You got any snacks?
You don't want to know what's in here. Found one. So this is a it's so funny to see a Spectrum Smart pack with a JST plug and a balance lead, because the whole point of the smart batteries is to get away from the balance lead, but they're still really good batteries. So we're going to have 30C, and notice I got that unique Velcro already on here from another model. Thank goodness I already had one. And then I also have rough Velcro on here for different setups. So I know I got a storage charge on here. We'll just plug this in. I want you guys to see truly how easy this is. So we're going to do a step-by-step. When you first get your radio, there's a couple ways you can get into system setup, and I think the easiest way is to hold the scroll wheel and power this on. So we're literally going to go through step-by-step in real time here, and we're just going to go down to model select. So see, you use that little scroll wheel. So we're model select, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom, add new model, go to create. And you don't have to do anything else, but I really like to just go ahead and name mine so it's easy to find. So I go down to model name, and you don't have to watch this whole thing, but maybe a couple letters. We'll just call this one UMX Cirrus Blue. That's the easiest way for me to remember that. You guys name it however you like, but since I've got different Cirruses, and we back out. Now we're back to the main model screen. The easiest way to bind this is actually to turn this off. UMX planes are unique because they have a very easy bind system. We just plug in the battery. Our receiver light will flash. Now we're just waiting to be bound. So you can see all these lights flashing, right? Rapid red blinking, a little red and blue. All the plane lights are on. We hold our bind button, which is this little, and on this one specifically, it's that button. Generally all the Spectrum radios are the same. Press and hold the power button, make sure throttle's down. As soon as power comes on, we release power, but I'm still holding bind until, usually you can release it now, but I'll go ahead and just, I heard the plane come to life. So that's how easy these things are to set up. That's it. Now we're on the home, gotta love the telemetry voltage letting me know that the battery is low, but we're going to give everything a test. Right aileron, right comes up, left aileron, left comes up, up elevator, there's our rudder, and Abby will just stand back a little bit. We'll get a little throttle test here. Everything works the way it should. Now I like to go, there's Popeye, everybody likes to see Popeye. I like to go ahead and do a safe stabilization test. So I think it's A. Yeah. So we're holding the plane, we'll do it kind of an extreme here, sideways, almost. And our ailerons aren't moving at all because I'm out of safe. But if I throw this back down, see how much movement there is there? That's because the plane is trying to auto level. So it comes with safe built into it. Now in my opinion, you see how easy that was? The little micro servos are loud. I don't know why these can't be that easy. Truly. I know it's nice, it's, you know, it's this little bind button, it's still very easy to do, but I think it should be that easy on the big stuff too, just my opinion. But that's the beauty of the UMX stuff. It comes out of the box, built and ready. All you have to do is plug in a battery and press and hold a button on your universal transmitter, and it is ready to fly. The last step is literally just charging this. Now it's kind of funny. As you guys see, I have a Spectrum Smart Charger there. I've got Spectrum Smart Charger around the corner here. I've got all my smart chargers for my Spectrum Smart batteries on my ecosystem of Spectrum, right? That's kind of the point when you do this. I'll be using my 10-year-old tried and true Venom Pro quad charger to charge this, because it'll have I have one of these adapters that has a JST plug on it. So might as well show you how I do that too.
Anything good in there?
Oh yeah, I got all kinds of goodies. There's my JST. I try to stay organized. Oh, you want to see that? This is crazy. Okay.
I know what that is.
I think this was like a prank. This is a Losi Race Air Scent Candle. You ready? It stinks so bad.
What does it smell like?
We smelled it when we got
right?
it. Yeah, race air. Like glow fuel, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure they just like, no one drives glow anymore. What are we gonna do with all this? Let's melt it down and put a candle wick in it. Oh yeah, glow fuel. Like that smells like gasoline. That's really what that smells like. That was like 5 years ago. Losi sent us that as a Christmas gift. Oh, there, right there. Warning, scent may cause thoughts of racing, TQs, and or podiums. Scent may also cause prolonged wrench sessions. Do they still sell this? Doubt it.
Oh, look at that, old school.
Oh yeah, now.
I like that.
Now that I've got my Dean's to JST converter plug, and I'm coming off of my balance lead here. Let's plug it in. I don't leave it plugged in. Okay, I've got to go to channel 2, and I like to balance mine, so I'm just gonna go to balance, plug it in because this is a 3S airplane, or 2S, remember? Here. Now, this is only a 300 milliamp battery, so I want to charge it at 0.3 amps. A nice healthy speed, but it is 3S, so I press and hold. The battery is charging, and of course I leave this here because I use it. LiPo goes in the LiPo bag. Now, the keen eye may have noticed something beautiful sitting here. I've been hard at work on stuff. Okay, no, I've only had it for about a week.
This one's pretty funny.
Oh, that's a good one.
My
Here,
hand's making it blurry.
Turtle's all sad and scared, but you know, now he's happy to see us, and he's very bouncy too.
And pointy.
Good turtle, good turtle. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, I get it. All right, enough of the turtle. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, little jet. Watch this though. The wings articulate, but here's the fancy part, right? I'm pulling on one wing, but the other one is actually moving. That's because if you see very closely there, the gears at the bottom, that is meshed gearing inside. This is just a creation someone else made, but the printer allows me to print it for free. Totally fun. Yeah, the mind-blowing thing is this printed in one piece. I pulled it off the print bed like this, standing up, and what a beautiful little piece of like.
I'm surprised you don't have anything going right now.
Well, it's kind of loud, and I will as soon as I stop this video. I will print. I have something I'm really excited to print. You know, this was the second thing I printed, just as a little test. That printed in one piece, just like that, and it articulates, moves around. I didn't have to break anything loose. It just kind of popped right off the bed. So this, people were saying, what did I get for Christmas? This is what I got for Christmas. This is my thing. I've had 2 other 3D printers before this, and this blows them away. I will link.
Hold on, this is my favorite. Get the octopus.
Oh yeah. Okay. You ready? You ready, Abby?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Oops. Oh no.
I get it. I get it.
Yes. Well, that's some ASMR right there. That's so cool. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, he printed it, battery holder right there. That's pretty cool.
Look at this. This is an infinity cube.
Nate's been printing these and giving them away to everybody.
If you guys want to see a video on this, let me know in the comments. We'll do one. I'm loving it. Absolutely love this thing. It's like hobby 2.0.
Oh yeah, you printed this today.
Yeah, that was fun. That one, it's like a more solid fidget cube thing. Not a cube at all. It's a triangle, right? Just kind of. Now it's a cube, and now it's a triangle.
And the mysterious puzzle that no one knows how to solve.
Well, we only got about 10 minutes on that so far. So. Yeah. Anyway, we're having all kinds of fun with the 3D printer, but that's easy. Like I'm gonna go out to the airfield, and we'll plug in the battery, and we'll throttle up and fly it. So the only reason I'm doing this is because people said they enjoyed our most recent build video that I did. So I wanted to show you guys how easy these things can be. And it's a beautiful airplane. The UMX will be linked in the description box below. So here's the spiel on all the links. We make a very small commission if you buy the thing through our link. There's a big mess going on right now. If you have a honey plugin, PayPal owns honey. They're stealing sales from your favorite YouTubers, not just us, but everybody. So uninstall honey.
All those plugins that claim to save money. Yeah, uninstall them.
They don't. They're scams. There's a massive lawsuit going on against them right now, and I guarantee the YouTubers are going to win. We'll all get 12 cents, but you know, they've stolen tens of thousands of dollars from us. We'll see how that actually goes. But there is a big lawsuit against them. Turn off your ad blockers. Uninstall honey if you like supporting your favorite YouTubers. The airplane, the UMX Cirrus, will be linked in the description box below. The radio that I'm flying on, the battery that I showed you. And also, if you're interested in this guy, it'll be linked in the description box below too. And all the plastic and filament. I'm just like, maybe there's a 3D printer community that also watches our videos because of airplanes. There's a really awesome potential crossover for that. So I love it. It's awesome. I'm excited to fly this. The battery's literally charging right now so that we can actually go out and fly this. So we'll be out flying very soon, but you guys will have seen the flight video before this little build assembly video. So I want to say a massive thanks to God for blessing us with the time, the opportunity to jump in front of the camera and share this experience with you guys. And I'm glad that Abby is now healthy and mostly 90%.
Can get rid of the cough.
But, you know, she's on her feet and she's talking, and that's good. So thank you, God. And big thanks to our Patreon supporters, too, because we couldn't do what we do as often as we do without your insanely awesome support. Thank you, guys, all of you, for supporting us. I really genuinely mean that. If you're into these small UMX planes, we've got a ton of them on the channel, and I'm sure Abby will do a great job at picking out one of her favorites. That video will be popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!